Well, first of all, we are delighted that they are back. I think the contribution of both of them to their clubs lately was immense. They play regularly, of course. They play a big part and a big role in the success of Real and City's matches lately. They score regularly decisive goals, so we're delighted that they're in shape, in form, and back with us. Jude comes back as a number 10 position. I think that's his best position, and I think one of his key strengths is to score from this position. And he has the ability to arrive and to score goals that a number 9 would score. So he scores tap-ins, he scores one-touch tap-ins inside the 6-yard box, which is very unusual, which seems then easy, seems sometimes easy goals, but to arrive in these positions in the right timing, in the right moment is a key strength, and is one of his key qualities and outstanding qualities. So we will try to find a space there for him as a 10 to arrive in these 9 positions and score for us. Phil, I think Phil, where he played now lately for Dortmund, was where I see him the strongest. I think he's close to the opponent's box, as maybe a mix between a 9 and a 10, close to the opponent's box. For me, Phil scores and assists more from the 18-yard box. Where he scored against Dortmund. He's on the half turn, then he assists, he's in the pockets. So I think the main thing with Phil is that he gets a role in the central part of the pitch. I don't see him as a winger at the moment, and maybe not anymore. He should have a central role. I think that brings out his strengths the most. We talked about this already with him. So he will contribute as a 9.5, 10.5-ish position, very fluid, but in the middle of the pitch to be close to the box, be able to assist and to score like he did against Dortmund.